How to fix Telegram session expired error. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. So if the Telegram session has currently expired, or if you're seeing this error message being displayed in today's video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can immediately do is re-enter your phone number and request a brand new one-time password. So this can sometimes happen without any sort of reasons. So once you request a new code, you should be able to receive it and you should be able to re-log in, but you're still having issues logging into your account. The second thing that you'll need to ensure is that your date and time settings within your device is correct. Even if there is a slight delay for the time, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So what you need to do is head over to the phone settings, head over to the date and time settings within your device, and make sure that the date and time settings is set to use the network provided time or set to automatic. So once you complete this first step, you should be able to fix the issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Telegram onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also now be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.